Hello children, now we are going to start the exercise on the chapter simple interest. Okay, this chapter having only one exercise. Okay, basically these problems are based on the simple interest. That means here we have to find the SI and amount. What do you have to find here? SI and amount. Okay, so here principal is given in the first question of the first one, which is 150. Okay, then time is given 4 years. Okay, so time is 4 years. Then rate of interest is given the 5% per annum. Okay, so here we have to find the SI and amount. Okay, I have written here both the formula. Okay, you can see the formula. Now first we will find the SI. Okay, so P into R into T upon 100. This is the basic formula. Principal is 150. Okay, rate of interest is R is 5% and T is equal to 4 years divided by 100. Now all are in the multiplication. We can do the calculations. These are the easy calculation. 0 0 get cancel. 5 1 the 5 2 the 2 1 the 2 2 the. So 15 into 2. So SI is equal to rupees 30. So you got the SI. SI is how much? 30. Now here we have to find the amount. Okay, amount formula is A is equal to P plus SI or SI plus P. Okay, so P we know rupees 150 and I we have already find out 30. Okay, when the addition is rupees 180. So this is your answer. Okay, SI and amount. Now, so have you got understood? If you have not understood, you can repeat the video. Now after that we will see the second one. Okay, second one, see in second question SI and amount you have to find out. Okay, in second one principal is given rupees 350. Okay, P is rupees 350 principal and time is given. Time is how much? Which is 3.5 year. 3.5 year it is in the mixed fraction when you have converted. So 3 to the 6 plus 1 7, that means 7 upon 2. So time is how much? 7 upon 2 years. Okay, then rate is given. Rate is the 8% per annum. Okay, so after that we will calculate the simple interest. SI is equal to P into R into T upon 100. P into R into T. Okay, so P we will write 350. R is 8%. Okay, and T is 7. So 7 is the numerator and 2 is the denominator. We will write at the denominator. So 100 into 7 upon 2, that 2 I have written here. Okay, the sign of multiplication is there. Then we can do the calculation. 0 0 get cancel. Then 5 7 the and 5 2 the, 2 1 the, 2 4 the, then 2 1 the, 2 2 the. So what's remain? 7 multiplied by 2 multiplied by 7. Okay, so SI is equal to 7 7 the 49, 49 into 2. Okay, so which will be the 98 rupees. So SI is equal to 98. Then here we have to find the amount, which will be the P plus I. Okay, we know the formula. P is 350 and I is 98 rupees 98. Add these both values. Okay, do the calculation. I am calculating, which will be the 448. This is your answer. Okay, SI is 98 and amount is 448. Okay, I think you got this. You got understood the question. You can take the screenshot. Okay, or you can pause the video and then you can write the answer. Okay, then if you have not understood, you can repeat the video from the first question. Okay, Then we will see the third one. In third one, rupees 620 for the 4 month at 8 paise per rupees per month. It is given like that. Time is given, rate is given, and principal is given. Okay. So principal 620 will be principal. So P is equal to 620. R is T is equal to 4 month. Okay. And rate is equal to 8 paisa per month. 8 paisa per month. Now we will find out the SI. Formula is P into R into T divided by 100 equal to 620 into R is 8, T is 4 divided by 100. Then you can calculate, 0 get cancel. Okay, 62 into 8 for the 32 upon 10. Okay, 62 into 32. You can do the calculation. I am calculating. 1984 divided by 10. So you can shift the one decimal because denominator is the 10, which will be the 198.40. 198.40. Okay, so this is your SI. What is your SI? 198.40. Then amount is equal to P plus I. P plus I. P is 620 and I is equal to 198.40. Okay, do the calculation. So this is your answer, 818.40. Got it now? Now I think you got understood the first 3 questions in the first one. Okay, remaining you can do as a practice. Okay, now after that we will see the question number second. Okay, second question we will see. See, these 3 terms is very important, P, R and T. Okay, now we will see the second question. Okay, the second question is given. Okay, what is the second question? On what sum of money? Okay, what sum of money does the SI for 10 years? Okay, at 5% becomes 1600. Okay, so here P is not given, question mark. T is equal to 10%. Okay, T 10%, sorry, T is 10 years, R is 5%. Okay, and SI is given 1600. Okay, and we have to calculate the principal. We can use the same formula, which is SI is equal to P into R into T upon 100. P into R into T. Now SI we know, 1600. P we don't know, so I have put P as it is. R is 5% and T is 10 years upon 100. Okay, 0 get cancelled, 5 1 za, 5 2 za. Okay, then 1600 equal to P upon 2. P upon 2. We have to find the value of P. So send this 2 to the next side. So denominator become numerator. 1600 into 2 is equal to P. So P is equal to 3200. That means 3200. This is your principal. Okay, so required principal or required answer. Okay, you can write it again, 3200. Then after that we will see the next question. But see, in this question, P, R and T, these are the important. Okay, now we will try to solve the next question. Okay,